Dear students, welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Boni, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, previous lecture I discussed a mathematical problem from the chapter 4, Statistics first paper, topic measures of dispersion. Today I will discuss a mathematical problem from the chapter. Dear students, let's start our class. Here we'll see that a frequency distribution table is given below. Class 20 to 25, frequency is 10, 25 to 30, 12, 30 to 35, 20, 35 to 40, 35, 40 to 45, 18, and 45 to 50, 12. Find the value mean deviation about mean, median, and mode. Dear students, at first we have to solve the mean, median, mode from the distribution table. Okay, dear students, table for necessary calculation about mean, median, and mode. At first we draw a table. Okay, dear students, solution. Table for necessary calculation. Table for necessary calculation about mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode. Okay. Class frequency denoted by Fi, mid value Xi, di Xi minus A by C, Fi di, and cumulative frequency Fc, cumulative frequency. Okay, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50. Second column, we have to write the frequency 10, 12, 20, 35, 18, and 12. Sum total of the total frequency 107. Mid value, you have to know that 20 plus 25 divided by 2, that means 22.5. And serially we have to sum of class interval 5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, and 47.5. Okay, dear students, Now we have to find out the distance. Highest frequency, the di equal to 0, and this mid value is assume mean. Upper value we have to putting the value xi, a and c. We have to find the upper value, class value is -1, -2, -3 and 1, 2. You have to know. Now we have to multiply the value fi and di. -30, 12 into -2, -24, 20 into -1, -20, 0, 18 and 24. Sum total of the value fi di equal to -32. And at last cumulative frequency 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 20, 42, 42 plus 35, 77, 77 plus 18, 95, 95 plus 12, 107. Okay, dear students, now we have to find out the value of arithmetic mean or mean. Mean equal to mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi di by n into c. Now putting the value, assume mean 37.5 plus minus fi di minus 32 by 107 into 5. The mean, the value of mean is 34.6, 34.6. Okay, dear students. Again, median equal to, again median, we have to write median equal to median, here n by 2 equal to 107 by 2 equal to 53.5. 53.5, the median class is 35 to 40. So the median class is, the median class is 35 to 40. L equal to 35, FC equal to 42, FM equal to 35 and C equal to 5. So median equal to median equal ME equal to L plus n by 2 minus FC by FM into C. Putting the value in this formula, we have to write 35 plus 53.5 minus 42 divided by 35 into 5. The median is 36.64. Okay, dear students, again mode equal to the highest frequency is presented by the highest frequency frequencies class is 35 to 40. Okay, x bar equal to 34.6. So the median class is the mode class is class is 35 to 40. Here L equal to 35, F1 equal to difference between model class frequency 35 minus post model class frequency 20. You see the distribution table, and F2 equal to 35 minus pre-model class frequency 70 and C equal to 5. So mod MO equal to L plus F1 plus F2 into C. That's equal to 35 plus 15 plus 17 into 5. The mode value is 37.34. Okay, 37 point, and the median equal to 36.64 and mode equal to 37.34. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand mean, median, mode from the distribution. Now we draw a calculation table for mean deviation about mean, median and mode. Okay, again table for necessary calculation. Table for necessary calculation. Okay, calculation. Mid value xi value is 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5 and 47.5. Okay, frequency Fi 10, 12, 20, 35, 18 and 12. Okay, xi minus x bar, modulus, and Fi into xi minus x bar, xi minus median, Fi into xi minus median, modulus median. Again xi minus mode, absolute value Fi xi minus mode. Okay, dear students, and 22.5 modulus xi minus x bar, that means 22.5 minus 34.6 the value is 12.1. Similarly, 27 minus 0.5 minus 34.6, the modulus value is 7.1. Next class 2.1, next class 2.9, 7.9 and 12.9. Now multiple the value of fi into modulus xi minus x bar. The value is 121, 85.2, next 42, next 101.5, 142.2, next 154.8. The sum total of the value is n equal to 107 and summation fi modulus xi minus x bar equal to 646.76, 46.7. Again, modulus value of xi minus median, that means 22.5 minus 36.464. The value is 14.4. Next, 27.5 minus 36.4. The value is 9.14. Next 4.14. Next 0.86 and next 5.86. Next class 10.86. Okay. Now multiple the value of fi and modulus xi minus median. The value is 141.4, 141.4. Next class 109.68. Next 82.8. Next 30.1. Next 105.48. Next 130.32. The summation fi modulus xi minus median equal to 599.78. Next, modulus of the value of modulus of xi minus mod, the 22.5 minus 37.4, the value is 14.84. Next class 9.84. Next class 4.84. Next 0.16. Next class 5.16 and 10.16. Multiple the value of fi into modulus xi minus mod. The value is 148.4, 118.08, 96.8, 5.6, 92.88, 121.92. Summation fi modulus xi minus mod equal to 583.68. Okay, dear students. Now we have to find the value of mean deviation of x bar. Mean deviation of x bar equal to summation fi modulus xi minus x bar divided by n. The putting the value 646.7 7 by 107. The mean deviation of x bar is 6.04. 6.04. Okay, dear students. Again, mean deviation of median. Mean deviation of median equal to summation fi modulus xi minus median divided by n. The value is, putting the value 599.78 by 107. The value of mean deviation of median is 5.61. Again, mean deviation of mode, summation fi modulus xi minus mode divided by n equal to 583.68 by 107. The value is 5.45. Okay, dear students. I hope that you have understand the problem. Dear students, if you face any problem from this math, you watch the video again and again. Dear students, thanks to all. Goodbye.